Hello, nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to Nature Connection, the channel where we dive deep into the heart of Mother Nature. Today, we are embarking on a journey to the mystical and lesser known Garden of Caves in the beautiful state of Meghalaya. But before we begin, please don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you more enthralling tales from the natural world. Meghalaya, a state located in northeastern part of India, is blessed with an abundance of natural beauties, and the Garden of Caves is no exception. The Garden of Caves is a series of hollows, rock underhangs, and waterfalls, enveloped by a dense forest. Located in one of the wettest regions of the world, this place holds a certain mystique. This magical place has a rich history dating back to the end of 16th century when the kingdom of Sohra was founded. Battles and conflicts shaped the formation of the kingdom, and during these times, the first king of Sohra sought refuge here from the assassins. The natural formations served as a sanctuary, protecting him from the scorching summer sun and the relentless monsoon rains that characterize this region. The network of passageways not only provided shelter, but also became a strategic retreat for the king, where he used this time here to ponder about the future of his new kingdom and the alliances he needed to forge. Today, unlike most of the other places that see a huge tourist footfall, this lesser known place is a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of life if you plan to visit Meghalaya.